So today we are discussing the exponents and laws of exponents. Exponents and laws of exponents. So exponents, as I told in the previous class, exponents means ಘಾತಾಂಕಗಳು. So laws of exponents. So already in the high school days, all these things you learn. Till then, just I will remind all those things in this class. Therefore, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Here a is the base and so m n are the exponents. ಘಾತಾಂಕಗಳು ಆಧಾರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ a m plus n. So if same base is there, then we will add the exponents of the numbers similarly. A raised to m divided by a raised to n, a raised to m minus n. Similarly, a raised to m raised to n, this equal to a raised to m n. Similarly, a upon b raised to m equal to a raised to m divided by a b raised to m. Similarly, a b raised to m equal to a raised to m, a raised to n. So therefore, a b raised to m equal to a raised to m, a raised to n. So a raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m, or 1 upon a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. So already, so we know that a raised to 0 equal to 1. Any number raised to 0, a raised to 0, so that is a raised to 0 equal to 1, and a raised to 1 equal to a. So here any number, any real number to the power 0, that's equal to 1. For example, 2 raised to 0, 1, minus 4 raised to 0, 1, 5 raised to 0, 1, 1000 raised to 0, it is equal to 1. So 10,000 raised to 0, it is equal to 1. Consider any large number to the power 0 is equal to 1. And here a raised to 1 is equal to a, 10 raised to 1 equal to 10, 100 raised to 1 equal to 100, 5000 raised to 1 equal to 5000. Yes? So let us consider the problem, simple problems concerned to these laws, exponent laws. So therefore, 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 7. So it is of the form, base is the same here. So that is a raised to m into a raised to n, this equal to a raised to m plus n. Base is same, base is same. So therefore, the answer for this one is this equal to 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 7. This equal to 3 raised to 4 plus 7. This equal to 3 raised to 11. So simple application of this law. So whenever in between problems we come across these type of terms, so directly we can take use of these exponent laws. So as you know, as you studied in the earlier classes. So therefore, 3 raised to 4 plus 7 is equal to 3 raised to 11. So similarly, consider this one, minus 3 raised to 4, minus 3 raised to 2, minus 3 raised to 3. So here base is same, that is a raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to p. So therefore, a raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to p, this equal to a raised to m plus n plus p. So base is same, base equal to minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So if base is same, then add the exponent. So therefore, minus 3 raised to 4, minus 3 raised to 2, minus 3 raised to 3, this equal to minus 3, that is a equal to minus 3, 4 plus 2 plus minus 3 raised to 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. So observe here, negative raised to 9, negative number raised to 9. So that is, we know that this also in the exponent law, minus 1 raised to n. If n is even, if n is even, then it is positive. Minus 1 raised to n. If n is odd, then it is a negative value. Minus 1 raised to n. So that is minus 1 raised to n positive. Then you will get positive value minus 1 raised to n. If n is odd, then it is negative. So therefore this is negative value. Therefore minus 1 raised to 9, 3 raised to 9. So this is equal to minus 3 raised to 9. So therefore, so this much is sufficient. So here, I won't go here to find the value of this one. So till then, so value of this one is negative because n is odd. N is here odd. Therefore, this is minus 3 raised to 9. This much is sufficient. So consider this problem also. 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to minus 4, 2 raised to minus 2. A raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to p. So therefore, a raised to m, a raised to n, a raised to p. This equal to a raised to m plus n plus p. So therefore, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to minus 4, 2 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to 3 minus 4 minus 2 plus of minus 4, plus of minus 2 becomes minus. So therefore this equal to 2 raised to 3 minus 6, 2 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 3. So therefore, as I told in the last, a raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to plus m. Therefore, this equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 3. So, this rule, and we know that this equal to, so since 2 raised to 3 is the smallest quantity, I will write it is, so this equal to 1 by 8. Thus, 2 raised to minus 3. A raised to minus m equal to 1 upon a raised to m. A raised to m plus n plus p. So, just try to understand the concept. So, that is, how to use the law of indices here. Yes. Observe this problem. 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 7. We know that a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So m greater than n. M greater than n. So still then you can change this to even smaller or greater, it is not the matter. So for our convenience, so we will subtract in the biggest minus smallest. So a raised to m minus n. So m is greater than n. So therefore this equal to 5 raised to 10 minus 7 a raised to m minus n. This equal to 5 raised to 3. So that is 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. So this much is sufficient till then. So if we expand this 5 into 5 into 5, so that is equal to 125. So consider this simple problem. 5 raised to 10, 125 raised to 2 here. So here is base 5. Here is 125 raised to 2. So directly we cannot take this to numerator. Instead of that, a little bit simplification is there. So once again we have to use the law of exponent. Law of exponent. We know that. So 125. So that is this equal to 5 raised to 10. This divided by 125. 125 equal to 5 into 5 into 5. this equal to 5 raised to 3. So instead of writing 125, so use this one. So therefore 5 raised to 3. So this whole bracket raised to 2. So here take use of the exponent law. So this equal to 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 6, because a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to mn. A raised to mn here. So now 5 raised to 10 minus 6, because a raised to m upon a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So this equal to 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to 4, its value is equal to 625. So that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, or 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. 25 into 25 is equal to 625. So therefore this value is equal to 625. Consider here 6 raised to 3 by 2, 6 raised to 5 by 3. A raised to m, a raised to n. Base is same here. So therefore a raised to m plus n. That is 6 raised to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. So it is a simple addition of fraction. So therefore here LCM is 6. So therefore, that is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. LCM is 6 into 3 into 2. Therefore, this equal to 9 plus 10 divided by 6. So 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10. 9 plus 10 by 6. So therefore, this equal to 19 upon 6. 6 raised to 19 upon 6. And so one basic thing to so I will come this to expression of these kind of numbers. I will come on tomorrow class. So therefore, so just to take use of exponent class, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 9 plus 10 is 19 by 6. So I will give some homework in PDF form. That so all those homework so that I give in the PDF form.